Local elections in the United Kingdom will be held on 5 May 2022. These will include elections for all London borough councils and for all local authorities in Wales and Scotland. Most seats in England were last up for election in 2018 and in Scotland and Wales in 2017. The elections will coincide with the 2022 Northern Ireland Assembly election. In total, 4,411 council seats are being contested in England, including irregular by-elections. Most seats in England up for election in 2022 were last elected in 2018. The exceptions are local authorities which have undergone recent boundary reviews. In the 2018 local elections, the Labour Party made gains in London at the expense of the Conservative Party, who in turn made gains in the rest of England at the expense of the UK Independence Party. Few councils changed overall control. Overall, UKIP lost 237 of the 243 seats it had held before the elections. According to the BBC's analysis, the results reflected a national political situation with Labour and the Conservatives neck and neck. 91 council seats will be uncontested, most of them in Wales. County councils are the upper tier of a two-tier system of local government, with the area each council covers subdivided into district councils with different responsibilities. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.